Hey everyone, welcome back to Soul Respawning. In this devlog, I'm wrapping up the Unity Essentials pathway by publishing my very first playable project. From building a main menu to combining scenes and pushing the game online, it's been a wild and satisfying ride. Let's dive in. I kick things off by creating a main menu scene, linking all my levels and scenes together into one unified hub. I opened up my Unity Essential project, loaded the pre-made main menu scene and had a look through the hierarchy. The scene was still stuck in 2D view, so I quickly switched back to 3D. When I hit play, the buttons didn't work yet, but that was about to change. I personalized the menu by adding my name using TextMesh Pro and dropped in a prefab living room to give the whole menu some atmosphere. A few decorations later, and the scene was starting to feel alive. Next up, I configured all my scenes so each button in the main menu would load the correct level. I selected scenes 0 through 5 and added them to the build profile using the shortcut Ctrl Shift and B. Once the scenes were in place, I set up the player settings with my studio and project name, tweaked the resolution to window mode, and hit play. And just like that, the scene buttons worked perfectly. Now came the fun part, putting the game online. I use Unity's WebGL build system to get everything browser ready. WebGL, short for Web Graphics Library, lets you publish your game to the web where anyone can play it without downloads. I built and published directly to the Unity page, picked a folder, waited for the build to complete, and clicked next. Boom! It was live. For the final challenge, I had two options: combine all my rooms into one big scene, or create an entirely new one. I was feeling confident, so I did both. First, I made a bonus scene button on the main menu by activating the canvas panel and linking it to the scene list. I dragged the bonus scene into the build profile to make it selectable. Then I opened each of my existing scenes, copied the game objects and pasted them into the bonus scene. I grouped them as separate rooms, lined everything up neatly and added some fun extras, like automatic doors, more collectibles, sound effects, and a UI to track collectible progress. I also added visual effects to make the items pop. Feeling ambitious, I downloaded a sci-fi asset pack from the Unity Asset Store, built my own original level. The scene had a completely different vibe, dark corridors, glowing lights, and that futuristic edge. I dropped in collectibles, added the collectible UI, and set the mood with some ambient music. I also got the spaceman robot Kevin to be the playable character. The whole thing came together better than I expected, actually. To showcase the finished game, I added a Unity recorder package. A quick trip to the package manager, and a few clicks later, I was recording gameplay straight from the editor. I recorded clips of each scene to show off the transitions, collectibles, and final polish. Once that was done, I uploaded the whole project to Unity Play. That marked the end of the Unity Essentials pathway. My first playable project, live and shareable. This Unity Essential pathway taught me all about Unity in terms of moving, controlling, and basics coding and scripts. This devlog was a big milestone, taking everything I've learned and turning it into a game I can actually share. Next up, I'm diving into the Junior Programmer pathway. This is going to teach me all about coding, how to do the right scripts, player movements, and more advanced coding. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for what's coming next. Thanks. Catch you in the next one.